In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Vercel app from scratch, step by step. By the end, you'll have a new project created and deployed, ready for you to customize and build on. I'll keep things straightforward and explain what's happening at each stage so you know why you're clicking what you're clicking. First, open your browser and go to Vercel's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up or log in before you can create a project. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Vercel dashboard. This is the main control center where you can see all of your existing projects and their deployment status. From the dashboard, look towards the top or side of the page for a button or menu labeled Add New. This is where you start whenever you want to create something new in Vercel. Go ahead and click Add New. You might see a few options here like creating a new project, adding a team, or connecting other resources. In our case, we want to focus on building an application, so we'll move on to the project option. Next, select Project. Clicking this tells Vercel that you want to set up a new application that it can build and deploy for you. This will take you to a screen where you choose the source of your project's code. Vercel is built around modern workflows, so it integrates tightly with Git providers, and it can also help you start from a ready-made template. On this screen, you have two main paths. The first option is to import a Git repository. Use this if you already have code pushed to a Git provider like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. When you choose to import a Git repository, Vercel will ask for permission to access your repositories. After you grant access, you'll be able to pick the specific repository that contains the project you want to deploy. This is ideal when you're working on an existing application or collaborating with a team, because every push to your main branch can trigger an automatic deployment. The second option is to select Clone Template. This is perfect if you want to start quickly without writing code from scratch. Vercel offers a variety of templates, often including popular frameworks like Next.js, React, and others. When you choose to clone a template, Vercel will copy that starter project into a new repository for you, usually under your own Git account. This gives you a working baseline application that you can immediately deploy and then customize at your own pace. Whichever route you choose, importing a Git repository or cloning a template, you'll then see a configuration screen. Here, Vercel usually detects your framework and build settings automatically. You can review the project name, the framework, and the build output settings. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Now click Create. This button kicks off the entire deployment process. Vercel will pull the code from your chosen source, install dependencies, build the project, and deploy it to a live URL. You'll see a deployment log showing each step as it happens. Once it finishes, Vercel will give you a unique URL where your new app is live and accessible on the internet. That's all you need to create a Vercel app. Go to the site, add a new project, choose between importing a Git repository or cloning a template, and click Create to deploy. From here, you can start editing your code, pushing changes, and letting Vercel handle your deployments automatically.